What's up everyone, Mr. Nat bringing you another art lesson this week. Today we're going to learn how to make an agamograph. Try saying that, agamograph. What's an agamograph? It's a 3D drawing project that lets you see two different pictures from different angles. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like an optical illusion. So, want to learn how to make that? Then just keep watching this video. Here's what you'll need to make your agamograph. 2 sheets of paper that are the same size, a pencil, coloring supplies, scissors, and glue. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. First, take 1 sheet of paper and cut it in half. You can fold it in half to find out where the middle is, or use a ruler to measure it. Either way, make sure you have 2 halves of paper that are the same size. Once you have your 2 sheets, draw 2 different pictures for each of them. Some things you can draw are 2 emoji with opposite feelings, your 2 favorite cartoon characters, or your mom and dad. After you finish drawing, take one of your pictures and fold it in half hot dog style. That means you're folding the long way. Use your fingernail or a hard object like your pencil to make a fold nice and sharp. Then unfold it and fold both sides to the middle. Unfold it and you should see 3 lines on your drawing. Take your scissors and cut along the 3 lines so you can have 4 strips of paper. If you have trouble seeing the lines, use a ruler to draw the lines to make them easier to follow and to cut. Now flip over your paper strips and use a pencil to label each section 1, 2, 3, and 4 from left to right. When you're done, repeat this process with your second drawing, except this time label your strips A, B, C, and D. Now take out your second sheet of paper. We're going to use this sheet to hold our cut up strips of paper. Fold it in half 3 times. Now open it up and label each section like this from left to right. 1, A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D. This is where we will be gluing each of our cut up strips. All you have to do now is match the numbers and letters and glue all your strips in the right spots. When you finish gluing everything, let it dry, then fold it back and forth like a fan. And that's it. You're done with your agamograph. You can put it up and display it in your room or in your living room and try to see the different pictures as you walk back and forth in front of it. It might take some practice to get it right, but once you get it all nice, it's going to look really cool. Hope you have fun with this project. Until next time, this is Mr. Nat signing off.